Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Deloitte NLA recruitment process. So as you might be aware, for Deloitte NLA the current hiring is going on, that is for freshers 2025 batch. So in this video we are going to discuss in complete detail the end-to-end recruitment process from starting and how many rounds are there, what sort of preparations you need to do. So it is going to be very helpful for you. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I'm also going to post a lot of videos related to preparation material, that is like videos related to verbal ability, reasoning, coding questions that are being asked in NLA. So it is going to be a lot of helpful for you if you are going to attempt this exam in upcoming time. So let's now discuss about the recruitment process for Deloitte NLA. First of all, if you are not aware what NLA stands for, so NLA stands for National Level Assessment. Okay, so it is Deloitte National Level Assessment which is currently going on. And what are the process? So it is for majorly divided into 4 steps. First step is going to be your registration process. Once the registration process is done, then profile will be screened. So it will be screened based on your skill sets, resumes and all. So all the shortlisted candidates will get the updates that their profile is shortlisted, and the online assessment will be shared out to them. So the third step is going to be online assessment. So in the online assessment there will be different rounds and different kinds of questions which are going to be asked. We are going to discuss in a minute what kinds of questions that are going to be asked in online assessment. Once you clear the online assessment, then comes your online interview step, in which you will have 2 different interviews. We are going to discuss that, what you need to prepare in that also. And then comes your final results. Okay, so if you get selected, you will get the job. Now let's start with the important information, which is how each step is going to look like. Okay, so we have already seen in registration you will register for the exam, and screening process, as I mentioned, based on the resume you will get shortlisted. Now in online assessment, what kinds of questions will be asked? So you will have questions on language skills, which is going to be English. Then you will have questions on general aptitude, which is quantitative and logical skills. And then you will have questions on technical skills, which are MCQs. Then you will have questions on technical skills coding. Okay, so in technical skills 2 types of questions will be there. One is MCQ based and one is coding based. Then comes your interview process. In interview process you will have technical and HR interview questions rounds. Now let's see in detail, like in which assessment, how many questions and how much time you will get for to solve those questions. So as I mentioned, in assessment you will have language based questions, which is like English or verbal ability, you can say. So you will have 10 MCQs for verbal ability plus 3, and you will get 90 minutes to solve them. Okay, so make sure that you have the practice of solving it quickly. And I'm also going to very soon post videos related to preparation, how can you prepare, and sample practice questions and previously asked questions on Deloitte NLA, which are going to help you a lot in your preparation journey. Next is your general aptitude. Okay, so in general aptitude you are going to have reasoning ability and quantitative ability. So you are going to have 12 questions for reasoning and 10 for quants, and the total time allotted to you for these questions is 90 minutes. Now 90 minutes for how many questions? 22 minutes. So you can assume like you also have to maintain pace and speed along with the accuracy. So don't worry if you haven't started your preparation yet. Let me know if you are willing to prepare for it. I am going to post videos on all these topics very soon. So next is computer fundamentals. So for computer fundamentals you are going to get 30 questions, and these 30 questions are going to be your MCQs. So 90 minutes and 30 questions, so you can assume like 3 minutes per question. Okay, no, sorry, not 30 questions in 90 minutes. It's not like that. 90 minutes is the overall time, so you have to like prepare accordingly. Coding questions, again you will have 2 questions and 90 minutes for that. So which means and these 2 coding questions, you will get the coding question and you have to solve it with the coding. Next is your interview round. So if you get shortlisted and if you clear the online assessment, the next round is going to be interview round, and interview consists of a single round lasting approximately for 15 to 25 minutes. I would say roughly 30 minutes only. So let's see technical interview, what kinds of questions that are being asked and how you should prepare for the technical interview. So for technical interview you will have to prepare your final year project. Actually if you haven't prepared in detail also, but make sure that you have something to answer. Okay, so make sure that you prepare. So be prepared to discuss your project, including the technology you use, its potential applications and the field in which it can be applied. Next is programming languages. So you will be asked questions on the programming languages listed on your resume, including their fundamental concepts. You may also be asked to write code for a few problems, but these will be very, very like beginner level questions, I would say. So even if you don't know also, you can just if you are confident enough and you are showcasing them that you know something, even though this exact problem you cannot solve, but I would say that yeah, you can easily clear these interviews. Next is your core engineering subject. So expect questions related to core subjects which you have studied throughout your engineering courses, like testing your, which will test your understanding and technical knowledge. So this is how your technical interview going to be. And after that you will have your HR interview. So in the HR interviews is focusing on understanding your personality, interests and motivations. You may be asked about questions like your daily activities and hobbies, your career aspirations, your areas of interest and passion. So this is how your like, and if you want dedicated videos on HR interview experience and technical interview experience, let me know in the comment section. I will bring those videos too. And basically in those videos I will tell you the questions which are usually being asked, and I will also give you the answer what you can answer for those questions. So let me know if you want those videos too. So I hope like now you have understood what all are the questions that are being asked in these kinds of like exam and in the NLA process. If you have any more doubts, please put it in the comment section. I can guide you through it, and please make sure to join me on Telegram and Instagram as well. You can ask your queries over there also, and make sure to subscribe to the channel as I mentioned in the starting of the video, because there is a lot of content which is going to come up for Deloitte NLA in the upcoming future on my channel. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.